Tokyo, Japan's dazzling capital, is a city where ancient tradition blends seamlessly with futuristic innovation. With more than 37 million people in the greater metropolitan area, it is the largest urban region on Earth. The people of Tokyo are known for discipline, courtesy, and a strong work ethic that powers one of the world's most advanced economies. Downtown districts like Shibuya, Shinjuku, and Marunouchi are filled with skyscrapers, global banks, headquarters of major corporations, and the Tokyo Stock Exchange, making the city a financial engine of Asia. Yet tradition remains deeply rooted in daily life. Historic Shinto shrines and Buddhist temples, such as Meiji Shrine and Sensoji, stand peacefully among neon lights and modern towers. Tokyo is also a paradise for food lovers. Sushi masters, ramen shops, street vendors, and elegant restaurants serve cuisine that reflects centuries of culinary tradition. Tourism flourishes with famous attractions, including the Imperial Palace, Akihabara's electric streets, Tokyo Tower, and spring cherry blossoms in Ueno Park. Education is world-class, led by the University of Tokyo and innovative research centers. Clean streets, efficient transportation, safety, and advanced healthcare contribute to an exceptionally high standard of living, making Tokyo a global symbol of balance between tradition, technology, and culture. Tokyo, the capital of Japan, sits on the eastern coast of Honshu along the wide Kanto Plain beside Tokyo Bay, one of the most strategic geographic regions in East Asia. Rivers such as the Sumida and Tama flow through the city before reaching the Pacific Ocean, shaping its development as a trading and political center. Tokyo began as a small fishing village called Edo in the 12th century. Its transformation started in 1603, when Tokugawa Ieyasu established the Tokugawa Shogunate, turning Edo into the seat of military government for more than 250 years. In 1868, the Meiji Restoration restored imperial rule, and Edo was renamed Tokyo, meaning Eastern Capital. During the 20th century, the city experienced dramatic events including the Great Kanto earthquake of 1923 and heavy destruction during World War II bombings. After the war, Tokyo rebuilt rapidly, becoming a symbol of Japan's economic miracle. Politically, it serves as the center of government where the emperor resides and where the national diet shapes national policy. Modern Tokyo is a global megacity known for advanced technology, high-speed transport, and cultural influence. Influential figures such as Emperor Meiji and modern leaders helped shape its rise. Today, Japan maintains strong economic and diplomatic relations with neighbors including South Korea, China, and nations across the Pacific region.